Hey guys, it's your girl Kat and I'm back with another video. So today's video is being brought to you by Cenhiee wigs. They were kind enough to bring a girl over some fire, okay? So this is their orange human hair unit. It is in deep curly texture, a Tpart unit, and 150 density, but it's pretty much feeling like that 180, okay girl? It is amazing, bomb AF, and you definitely don't need to bleach the lace. So it comes with 2 combs in the temple area, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as an extra band of security. And you can go ahead and actually take that off if you will, which I actually end up doing. This unit was secure enough with the clips as well as the straps in the back. Now this unit actually reminds me of an Afsisterwig dupe, and I'll go ahead and write that name on the screen because girl, you know we all about saving them coins, okay? So I did go ahead and add some color to this unit. I'm going to go ahead in the next clip and show the box. It's from Simply Color, and I wanted to go ahead and bring it some low lights because you know the unit is bright, okay, and it's clashing with this chocolate. So I wanted to go ahead and bring some low lights to this unit and still give that you feel me? And this was definitely an easy process. So go ahead, continue watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next upload. Later.
We can make a movie, do you how you do it, even though you're mine. You like a groupie, I just want the water, want to flex Brianna. I come do this data, then retire mama. Take the pain away, I've been stressed out daily, roll a paper babe. Mama tryna pay me, I know I made mistakes. I just found my L's and come back in a major way. Hey, hey, you should know, I just put some Gucci and some new Chanel. Girl, I'm with ain't nothing like the usual. Mama told me that I'm different, but I'm beautiful. You should know, I just put some Gucci and some new Chanel. Guaranteed that nothing like the usual. They told me it's no boy, you know it's who you know. Hey, you should know. Heard them boys have a problem, but I don't like niggas either. Used to borrow pull the cabs, now we overpay the driver. Captain Hook, Peter Pan, free the gang. I was rapping up the beat, bro was giving up the life. Hey, take the pain away. I've been stressed out daily, roll a paper play. Mama tryna pay me, I know I made mistakes. I just found my L's and come back in a major way. Hey, hey, you should know, I just put some Gucci and some new Chanel. Girl, I'm with ain't nothing like the usual. Mama told me that I'm different, but I'm beautiful. You should know, I just put some Gucci and some new Chanel. Guaranteed that nothing like the usual. They told me it's no boy, you know it's who you know. I don't pull stunts, I just play my part, real from the start. Nah. Swerving German cars, playing Taylor Bond. I've been spending dumb, banana. Hey, take the pain away. I've been stressed out lately, roll a paper plane. Mama tryna pay me, I know I made mistakes. My heart is cold, I'm out of control, but I'm lit. You should know, I just put some Gucci and some new Chanel. Girl, I'm with ain't nothing like the usual. Mama told me that I'm different, but I'm beautiful.